You can't tell me Kaizer Chiefs is a winner anything baphethe Mdu Shabalala as their main number 10. You can't tell me Kaizer Chiefs is going to win anything baphethe Mfundo Vilakazi as their main wing. You can't tell me Kaizer Chiefs is going to win anything playing Flavio Da Silva as the main striker. I think Kaizer Chiefs have lost 4 games consecutively. Lekef bebathe bazoyiwina baphumile kuyo. E-League, they are out of the top 3. In Nedbank Cup, lebe kumele ukuthi bayidefende baphumile. The players at Kaizer Chiefs don't know how to play games of consequence. Njoba basho ama analyst wethu lapha bagcwala kuma social media bathi games of consequence. I said the first time ngembona ngasho ngathi lo mfana lona is not the material i-Chiefs ayidingayo. I sharp. He carried on playing Mdu Shabalala lokadlala for Kaizer Chiefs lokashaya amatsamaya unnecessary, ashaya idola, ashaya itala za kuma Phillies game, adlalela uVino Snaps. Yabona if you go to his social media noma ungaya ku bio yaka Vino Snaps unezithombe ezinhle zaka Mdu Shabalala. Uyabona abo coach ukuthi uFlavio Da Silva ushaya ikarate move. Are you telling me if abo coach ukuthi Mdu Shabalala uyamiss? Are you telling me ukuthi flop yabo coach ukuthi Mfundo Vilakazi uhlula into simple basic ukuphasa ibhola, ukuphasa ibhola, phasa ibhola eboxini umuntu akore? Is it the fault yabo coach? Is it the coach's fault ukuthi uFlavio? Is it the coach's fault ukuthi uKhanyisa Mayo akakori? Is it the coach? Kaizer Chiefs coaches are not to blame for the situation eyenzakalayo lapha Kaizer Chiefs, but we need to blame the players. Ayikho indaba yama-player adlala inyoso lapha, ayikho into abayenzayo, and the coaches have been patient. Nathi sikhathele as ama-support. That said, bafethu, welcome to the Dusbego show. Bega asingeneni straight kuyo singasamoshi isikhathi. When the season started, when the Kaizer Chiefs announced coach Cedric Kaze no Ben Khalil Youssef as the head coaches at Kaizer Chiefs, nonke benijabulile bafethu. Niscreama lapha ku social media nibona kahle ukuthi ay Chiefs ibuye. We are back to our winning ways. Finalist Xoshuna Abu Nabi uye bekazidlisa zakhala khona manje. La majita laba when they took over, when the season started, you win I think like 5 games. Kaizer Chiefs, you were second on top of the log, and then Skukune was above you. Nakumbul, Skukune was number 1, Kaizer Chiefs begin number 2. And then abantu abaningi baloke bathi Kaizer Chiefs is a contender. Kaizer Chiefs is a contender. Orlando Pirates had back-to-back losses, by now second last at the bottom of the table, and then the Mamelodi Sundowns were just somewhere in the top 8. Some of us took to the socials, sa explain, I said, lento yenzakala lapha ku Kaizer Chiefs, umlilo weparafin. We've seen this movie before. Siyayazi Kaizer Chiefs, uqala kanje season, abantu bathi no, we are back, isibuyile, sizothatha iCAF, sizothatha iNedbank Cup, sizothatha yonke into, yaqala iToyota Cup and you lost. Our legend after what he saw in a preseason, the Chiefs went to preseason and only won 1 game of the 5 games that they played good preseason. And then when the season, just as the season was about to start, Nadala Toyota Cup, Nedala ne Asante Kotoko. And then you guys lost to Asante Kotoko on penalties. And then when we used to work with him, legend the Chiefs, Kaizer Chiefs is not ready. Kaizer Chiefs are not going to win the league. Nahamba nina social media namthuka nambiza ngamagama nambiza lokhu nibona ngathi uyekayazi into ayikhulumayo. Beka manje kwenzakalana. Kaizer Chiefs have lost 4 games consecutively. Lekef bebathe bazoyiwina baphumile kuyo. E-League, they are out of the top 3. In Nedbank Cup, lebe kumele ukuthi bayidefende baphumile. The players at Kaizer Chiefs don't know how to play games of consequence. Njoba basho ama analyst wethu lapha bagcwala kuma social media bathi games of consequence. You can't tell me Kaizer Chiefs is a winner anything baphethe Mdu Shabalala as their main number 10. You can't tell me Kaizer Chiefs is going to win anything baphethe Mfundo Vilakazi as their main wing. You can't tell me Kaizer Chiefs is going to win anything playing Flavio Da Silva as the main striker. Asingene kuwo lama player la. When the season started, nihambile nathathu Khanyisa Mayo on loan from the team lase Algeria, and everyone is excited thinking ukuthi Khanyisa Mayo is going to bring back the glory days at Naturena. He's only scored 1 goal and he's denied Pule Modi a goal ngoba washa offside lapha igol lomntana abantu sekumele lingena walikhahlela lapho. And then nathathu Flavio Da Silva wangena wakora 1 2 3 goals nyana again. We said ayikho indaba yaka Flavio Da Silva nabona kahle nena kodwa laba abakhuluma inyoso ayikho into abayaziyo. Nangu Flavio Da Silva namhlanje ukhahlela umloyisana is not even going to the World Cup. Bamshaying flying kick la abambizanga na ku preliminary squad mntana abantu uneska noma ngaretire namhlanje uneska saka Flavio Da Silva la. Flavio Da Silva played the derby for the first time wakora I own goal. Flavio Da Silva got 1 too many chances aphuma wona nabo goalkeeper akakori uyageja. Now let's go to Mdu Shabalala, a player that's played more than 100 games for Kaizer Chiefs. Mdu Shabalala has been with Kaizer Chiefs since I teenage. Kaizer Chiefs promoted him from DDC under 18 years. He was in matric when he played his first derby for Kaizer Chiefs. Mdu Shabalala. I said the first time ngembona ngasho ngathi lo mfana lona is not the material i-Chiefs ayidingayo. I sharp. He carried on playing Mdu Shabalala lokadlala for Kaizer Chiefs lokashaya amatsamaya unnecessary, ashaya idola, ashaya itala za kuma Phillies game, adlalela uVino Snaps. Yabona if you go to his social media noma ungaya ku bio yaka Vino Snaps unezithombe ezinhle zaka Mdu Shabalala. Uyabona ukuthi yakwazi ukumpose and uyakwazi ukumsnap Mdu Shabalala. But what has he done for the team? What has he contributed for Kaizer Chiefs? How many assists does he have? Against the Stellenbosch FC, an important game for the Chiefs because the Chiefs needed to win that game in order for them to continue their run of defending in Nedbank Cup, but they couldn't because Tushabala thola ama chance ayi-3 awamesa wonke. So the problem at Kaizer Chiefs is not the coaches. The problem with Kaizer Chiefs ama-player. Lama player lawa badlala ngathi awufuna ukudlala. Badlala ngathi bafostiwe noma bangene groundini udineka nanoma bayenza pitch inspection, even how they walk. Now the way bahamba ngakhona uthola bafakena nalama earphone amakhulu, baloke bafaka izandla ikhwameni badla amachepisi omdusha balala bayenze namazinyo. Like uyazibuza ukuthi are you here to play football or are you here to model? Mawufuna ukumodel ikhona Instagram, be a football influencer. Baningi abantu bayazenza fana nabo cellular if ufuna nje just attention football. But if you want to be a player, nalo sibonakalise ukuthi you are hungry to play the game. Uyababona bo Rilem Mofokeng as much as he star makangena uyakubonisa ukuthi I'm here to play. Uyazibona nalintwana lezi eziSundowns abo Tebogo Mokoena has been a star most of his life. Mara yambona makazongena eground ukuthi I'm here to play. So lentwana lezi ezeChiefs azukwazi ukudlala, lentwana lezi ezeChiefs zidlala amasimba, akekho singaze simbize fana kusitha usibanibani uNtswembu usibanibani ushintsha isimo lapha ku Kaizer Chiefs. You can't tell me ngoLebogang Maboe I won and tell me ukuthi uLebogang Maboe at least uyazama. What can he do kule position ayidlalayo for Kaizer Chiefs? It's not like he's going to score them goals, and it's not like he can create them enough goals because there's no one to score those goals. So Kaizer Chiefs iyabheda from defense to midfield to strike asafuna ukukhuluma when it comes to a technical team but I still don't blame the coaches. I'm a coach, ayabapa ama player instruction ukuthi ngene uyodlala ndoda. So it's up to the player when he's on the pitch ukuthi wenzani. So are you telling me ukuthi fault yabo coach ukuthi uFlavio Da Silva ushaya ikarate move? Are you telling me fault yabo coach ukuthi umdusha balalo uyamisa? Are you telling me ukuthi flop yabo coach ukuthi umfundo Vilakazi uhlula into simple basic ukuphasa ibhola, ukuphasa ibhola, phasa ibhola eboxini umuntu akore? Is it the fault yabo coach? Is it the coach's fault ukuthi uFlavio? Is it the coach's fault ukuthi uKhanyisa Mayo akakori? Is it the coach's fault ukuthi Ethan Cheslett makangenile akanabantu azobapla? You can't tell me ukuthi it's the coach's fault. The fault is on the players. Kwamele ukuthi siblame ama player. Now let's move on to the structure lapha ku Kaizer Chiefs. Sibonile nathi umfana omncane waka Bab Kaizer Mtaung Junior hambile waya lapha ku Robert Marawa. Asabazi ke when it comes to ama podcast bawufika lapha basikhulumela isilungu singasazi baloke bazama uku-explain into singayizi. Ama fan akutshela into esimple. We feel like you don't love us as the fans. We feel like you are mistreating us as the fans. Maskuluma and Ismail, you are ignorant. I'm a fan, like a simple request from the fans saying that Stelu coach wayazi into ayenzayo. What does the team do ya ku Chiefs? Instead bathatha lama plama wabo, bathatha lama translator wabo, they make them the head coaches. They don't care about the fans. I'm a fan, I complain about the standards of my player. What does Kaizer Chiefs continue to do? They don't want to sign players. Instead bafuna ukuthatha ama reject, bafuna ukuhamba bayogubha emigodini, bathatha ama place ngawazi, bafuna ukusebenzisa ama app. Bafuna ukusebenzisa ama-app i-app ekutshelayo ukuthi this player has run 50 yards, this player has 50 touches. Lawo ama-app lawo awasizi. Bafuna ukumamela ama-analyst akhuluma ngabo tactical variety, tactical variation, bully in that midfield. None. It doesn't help when you have to play the game. I blame sporting director. Kaizer Chiefs doesn't have a sporting director. Whoever is the sporting director lapho ku Kaizer Chiefs ngenani kuma comment ngicela ningazisi ngiyalifuna igama lakhe ukuthi sokwazi ukukhuluma ngaye. Whoever is the sporting director ku Kaizer Chiefs akayazi into ayenzayo. Whoever is responsible for signing players ku Kaizer Chiefs akayazi into ayenzayo. Whoever is the scout se Kaizer Chiefs akayazi into ayenza. Whoever is the goalkeeper coach ku Kaizer Chiefs himself akayazi into ayenzayo. Uvuma kunina ku Kaizer Chiefs namanje uyavuza. So you telling me ukuthi other than uPeterson ayikho enye goalkeeper engasizi Kaizer Chiefs makushubile? What happens if for whatever reason, God forbid, uPeterson over injured for the whole season? As it uba injured the whole season akakwazi ukudlala uPeterson, and then kuyoloke kudlala uvuma na himself uyavuza. And again futhi cishe ngakhohlwa ngavele ngakhumbula kamnandi. The reason futhi ngithi mina I stand with the coaches. Is it the coaches fault ukuthi ngeDerby there were 6 players ball watching babhekelele evidence mahupa header? Is it the coaches fault ukuthi ngeDerby uTsepang Murem uthole loose ball, no one was willing to attack at defend, instead bamile bakhamisile lena maseka shooter ikhani bafuna ukugijima? Is it the coaches fault na? Is it the coach's fault that against Stellenbosch Kaizer Chiefs failed to score? Is it the coach's fault that Kaizer Chiefs ihambile yadlala neZamalek at a time la Kaizer Chiefs that all they needed was a draw? It raw bafiti Kaizer Chiefs kubi sasekukef khona manje bahamba le bayodliwa izamalek. So a fault coach. Yes, I am bashing the players. It is the players' fault. Le nto eyenzakala ku Kaizer Chiefs is because of the players. The players abadlala ku Kaizer Chiefs khona manje don't meet the standard of the team. The players abadlala ku Kaizer Chiefs don't deserve to play for the team. They lack confidence. Bafethu ukubona sometimes bamphasa umduba bamela trap ibhola maka trap ibhola le. You playing at professional level. Utrap ibhola besela le. Udlala ku professional level, then they are complaining Hugo Bruce makanganibizi anisoku World Cup. Labantu abaphethe lapha phezulu ku Chiefs. The last time Kaizer Chiefs bekuyi Kaizer Chiefs ebesaba ukudlala nayo. I don't even think Orbit College is afraid of Kaizer Chiefs now. But the last time we besisabi Chiefs good masidlala ne Chiefs ngasho yo namhlanje ntwana zizokhala. Ilesa sikhathi bafethu kusaphethe ubab Kaizer. When Ubabu Kaizer was more involved in the club. Uye umuntu bekayazi into ayenzayo. Abantwana bakhe clearly don't know what they are doing. The only person who seems to be working kulabantwana bakhe khona manje uJC because asiyabona from a marketing point Kaizer Chiefs spot on. Ku marketing Kaizer Chiefs is spot on. Siyabona ama sponsor ayeza, amazimba ayathengwa ende bengifuna ukuthenga ipacket lamazimba ngilidle khona manje. Amazimba ayathengwa lapha ku Chiefs. Yabona the way inkwate ngakhona ngathi ngusikomoto manje kuphuma namathe mangikhuluma ngoba le ndaba se Kaizer Chiefs eyangicasula bafethu. So Kaizer Chiefs doesn't have a sporting director. Kaizer Chiefs doesn't have a scouting department. Kaizer Chiefs doesn't seem to have a conditioning department, and whoever is training the goalkeepers with Kaizer Chiefs, what Kaizer Chiefs needs to do is go back to the drawing board and appoint a sporting director. Someone who understands and knows what it means to be a sporting director of a team that big. What they need to do is find new scouts. Abantu abazohamba bayo scout ama player aright ekumele ukuthi adlale lapha yana ku Kaizer Chiefs. Asivalela. I know what the solution to all the troubles the Kaizer Chiefs is. DDC. Le team yaku DDC are the defending champions at DDC. They traveled all the way to England by odlala against the Manchester United second team by Shy. Kaizer Chiefs goalkeeper wabo odlala ku DDC khona manje is one of the best goalkeepers ku DDC. Definitely better than Ubavuma. They have a striking force in Tswembo lapha ku DDC. They have a midfield in Tswembo lapha ku DDC. If you don't believe me, ngicela today uhambe uyobhekelele DDC edlalele Kaizer Chiefs. I'm telling you, though mele bayenza so baba swape. Bathathi DDC ize ku first team, first team ihambe ku DDC. And then the only players they need to keep lapha ku first team Kaizer Chiefs next season, Gaston Serino. Une experience nizwele nani on the Sizwe Mabhena show unphila ama stats wakhe anibekela yona kamnandi ukuthi uGustin Serino why important for Kaizer Chiefs. Lebogang Maboy, Ethan Chislet, yiwokuphela ama play Eden McCarthy, yiwokuphela ama play kumele ukuthi ahlale lapha ku first team Kaizer Chiefs. Everyone else kwamele ukuthi ahambe abuyele lapha eZansi. We have a couple of comments la ku TikTok, ngiyabona bafethu ni joinile conversations. YouTube, join the conversation. Leave us your comments. Let us know what you think. Is the problem at Kaizer Chiefs the players or is it the coaches? Facebook, leave us your comments. Is the problem at Kaizer Chiefs the coaches or the players? Technical producer yethu lapha emuva lo mfana ongafakanga ama specs namhlanje uzosibhekela ukuthi kwenzakaleni. Simply Mdu is good, Mdu is not good, Mdu is bad. Mdu is the worst player I've ever seen play for Kaizer Chiefs personally. As umuntu olidlalile ibhola, as someone who's watched Kaizer Chiefs all my life, le position ayidlalayo mangakubalela ama player that played the position le ayidlalayo, you'll understand why I'm telling you ukuthi uMdu Shabalala is not that good. Angifuni nokubabala. uMdu Shabalala is supposed to be carrying the team because uMdu Shabalala was promoted ngaleza inkathi lezana boyeye basasekhona. Bekanokubabona kushuthi aboyeye lapha. But look at the trash that he's playing. I disagree with you. Ayikho indaba yakho. uMdu Shabalala is not the best player. And then user 8428 nama number maningi alama number akho maningi mfethu thina abanye asiyanga esikoleni ngiyazi abathi asina matric. At Babo, Chiefs will kill us a real death. Chiefs will kill people a real death. That's why supporter babone ukuthi it is so sad that ama supporter had to take it upon themselves. Bahambe baye lapha village, bayo toyitoya, bayo complain. But the only thing I disagree with nalento ama supporter yenzile, ni toyitoya against abantu abarong. It's not the coaches. Toyitoya against the players. Tshelana ama player baye ukudlalela uVino Snaps. Tshelana ama player baye lokho bashaya amado singidina kabi lesitala lesedolo angazi siphuma kuphi. Le abantu baloke bagibela ibhola ngamadolo. Even Pitso Msimani complained about it. uMakaring asadlalela Pirates idlala neSundowns ubhizi ushana namadolo. Pitso Msimani yini lento le? That's not football. Nibhizi ngibelana namadolo nabo mlungu cross athatha ibhola alijumpisela. You are playing caref for the first time. Leader 3-0 instead of scoring more and more goals so that the opposition is on saba nigibela ibhola nishaya amadolo. Did you see what Orlando Pirates did? 3-0 asibonanga no one agibela ibhola. uTito came on washaya iMagic 10. He was dribbling past players bekanga show boat ama player Chiefs bona bakhetha ukushow boat mara leso sikhathi abantu bakhona abajwayela ngokwina. And then another comment from simply unswarable. Our confidence is low. I know the confidence is low. And then Sianda ati uyabazi abadlali if beteketile. I agree with you. Karate, yes, Flavio da Silva udlala karate instead of being a striker, please udlalana ne karate. Bari stop bashing the players, Grootman. I have to bash the players. It's important. Ibafana bafana maidli ufikile Mbalule once called them a bunch of losers. He had to bash them because besesikhathele ukudliwa kwabo. And then nabo njengoba bazohamba baye ku World Cup manje if bafika le badlala umbhedo so bathuka. Sizobabhesha. We don't bash them because we hate them. We bash them because we want to see them do better. We bash them because sifuna ukubona ama team akhula yaphambili. We bash them because sifuna ukubona igrowth nempumelelo laphana kubafana bafana. We are tired of being second best. We are tired of Mamelodi Sundowns dominating South African football. Kaizer Chiefs and Orlando Pirates have to step up, and the only way for them to step up is if they get the right players. The only way they can get the right players is if they are complaining Tina as a fan, as a analyst, as a spectator of the beautiful game. Yitemele sikhono ndosibajele labo coach kunazo strayela kabi nina sifuna ama player kanje na kanje. Nalo wePirates siyeza. Just ukuthi manje ucontend league ucanga ukuthi sikhohliwa sithulanga siyeza sifuna ukwazi uPudlamini sifuna ukwazi uPhumbule siyeza. The video is coming very soon. Abe ready naye kuna chest pain amzelayo. I love this comment. Say Diakanya. At a combination of all departments, bro. Management, players, coaching. 100%. So kushuthi ayikho esebenzayo ku Kaizer Chiefs. Every department ku Kaizer Chiefs iyabheda khona manje. Ngisho nale department lehlala no coach bakhethe scheme, bakhethe even the formation. That department itself is struggling. You have a player in Upasikamako. Orlando Pirates donated Upasikamako. Orlando Pirates donated Thabiso Munyane, but you still playing Umlungu Cross. But you are still playing Solomons. Like uyazbuza ukuthi nayazi into enifunayo na. You have a good left center back in Aiden McCarthy, Quinika playing as the right center back, but you still want to play Inacio Miguel. That guy is proven good. He's a wrestler, not a footballer. Udonsa ma player umbonile wamenza nomhawukot. Last time uchampelo ozuna police la of all places la emtanyeni la bashila bopatar batla uzomlemaza make amnyathela la umnyathelile lana kabuhlungu awa chance Inacio Miguel must leave Kaizer Chiefs. Mdusha Balala must leave Kaizer Chiefs. Mfundo Vilakazi must leave Kaizer Chiefs. Shinga, the new player, must leave Kaizer Chiefs. Solomons must leave Kaizer Chiefs. Bruce Vuma must leave Kaizer Chiefs. Ahamba even Billy Black Leopards. Kaizer Chiefs need to sign new players. All the players that I've mentioned, Meleba Hambe Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs can't be patient with these players. Kaizer Chiefs can't give these players another chance. Ayikho indaba yabo. Ayibafanele Kaizer Chiefs. Umdusha Balala must go look for greener pastures lapha kuMarumo Gallants. Fundo Vilakazi must go look for greener pastures ku-team edlala ku-second division. He's not PSL material. It's not hate. It's because we love South African football and we want to see our football progress. We want to see our football go forward. Siyakwazi ukutshela bomrepha ukuthi leave the mic before it leaves you. So we can also tell players ukuthi leave football before it leaves you. Leave a team before it leaves you. The Kaizer Chiefs jersey is clearly heavy for most of these players. Only Lebogang Maboe, Ethan Cheslet, Nkosing Ndlovu. Those are the only people elibafanelayo la jersey. Ungcobo must leave Kaizer Chiefs. It's time. Mela Kaizer Chiefs ahamba efuna indawo la azodlala khona ibhola lakhe next season. Balokhe bayangizela kancane njengoba ngikhuluma bafethu. Ngizobiza nale player lelo olithandayo. Khululeka. Khanyisa mayo mela buyelele Algeria. Ayikho indaba yakhe. Flavio da Silva must leave Kaizer Chiefs. Ayikho indaba yakhe, ayikho into akayenzayo. Wandile Duba must leave Kaizer Chiefs. Ayozama esinye sport. I don't even think you should be playing football. Mela ayozama a different sport. Mela hambe lapha Kaizer Chiefs. Ayimfanele Kaizer Chiefs. Sikhathele le mediocrity ya ku Kaizer Chiefs. Sibhekelele, it's enough. I'm not even a Kaizer Chiefs supporter, by the way. I support the best team in South Africa right now, Orlando Pirates. Mara into eyenzakala lapha Kaizer Chiefs is usubhlungu, because if Chiefs is not challenging Pirates, akumnandanga Pirates might challenge Sundowns, because Sundowns dominates anyway. Sundowns says good winner. If Chiefs and Pirates were to go at each other pound for pound, baba, it's beautiful for South African football. Any coach ufuna ukubuya as a coach la South Africa. Pitso Mosimane is too much for Kaizer Chiefs. With the players that Kaizer Chiefs has now, Pitso Mosimane won't even bring back the glory days ku Kaizer Chiefs. Uzomenzana uMdusha Balala Pitso Mosimane. Uzomenzana umfundo Vilakazi Pitso Mosimane. Rulani Mokwena is not even the solution right now ku Kaizer Chiefs. The solution bafethu ama player awahambe. Igama lami uMdusibeko. Ngile ndoda leyazi ibhola. Le ndoda lelithanda ibhola. Ekhuluma iqiniso. Angibizi tactical variation. Marinyoso. inyoso. Thank you, Cyril's breakfast. It's ready for you to eat. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow us on all those socials. Let the conversation carry on. Commenta. Asingathukani. Mawufuna ungithuka ngizokuthuka back. Masilangane staratini ufuna ungishaye impama mina ngizokushaya flying kick. So, asikhulumeni kahle, sihloniphaneni. Ibhola lemnandi. Kaizer Chiefs. The problem is definitely the players, not the coaches. Siyabonga.